Hi guys! I'm back! Well, right now nakapambahay pa ako but I'm so ready to transform na into a summer outfit dahil summer na kaya 1, 2, 3, pack! Oh. So anyway, okay wait lang, maglalagay lang tayo ng tapis before anything else kasi ayoko naman na sobrang hubad na ako dito. Ayan, nagtapis naman si ate girl. Okay, so I'm super excited guys, summer na but before anything else, magtimpla muna tayo ng ating The Slim Firm Vita Cleanse. Alam nyo guys, ever since I started taking these, nire-replace ko na sila whenever I'm craving for something fresh, na parang juice, ganon. Ang sarap niya inumin. And also, not just that, kasi nakaka-boost din siya ng immunity, it will curb my cravings, and it will banish bloating. And also, kinocombine ko yan with the Slim Firm Apple Cider Vinegar Gummies. Alam mo yung pag medyo napadami yung kain mo, so ito, tinitake ko siya the day after, and it will instantly reduce yung bloating feeling, mga ganon. So, ito, gustong-gusto ko tong product na to, in fairness. I take 2 gummies a day. So, ito guys, yung mga perfect combination ko when I really want to cut down on my extra pounds, ganon. So, ayan, check them out guys. And here, I'm just finalizing my look, putting on my perfume, and I'm ready to go. Guys, by the way, naka-sale si The Slim Firm ngayon ha. And also, for the first 80 buyers, meron kayong free tumbler. So, go na!